and then we go to the right. So also entering and exiting, it happens if they are very close, they turn at once and the rear wheel cuts edge and gets on the curb. So always keep on controlling this side and keep on controlling the front. If it is a solid line, then sometimes they go too fast, too far. At the end of the street, we go to the right. After 100 meters, we turn left. It's very good because that truck goes there and you give more space for oncoming traffic. And we go straight, we cross the street and that street. When there is a car, then you go here, because sometimes once there are no cars, just people go straight, although they know it's two-way, but they see no cars, but they like, Regitra likes to go to the right, and then we go straight to the end of the street, and then we turn left. It's good that you are looking both sides, because children, bicycles, or even grown people drive the bicycle. The drivers sometimes they don't follow the road traffic regulations. And after 15 meters, let's turn right. Yes, this car went outside. Before the pedestrian crossing to the left. And be careful with this. With my brother, we were running away from my grandfather, so we were running fast to escape the grandmother. So that means passing these bushes maybe 3-5 kilometers less, because there are some passages to run for children, and really this is a park, and the grandmother is reading the book, and the children are running without control. And we go to the left, yes. It didn't happen for me, but one girl, she was learning to drive, and really the child jumped inside, but they stopped, but she was stressed and she stopped learning. But then we can go now. But after some time she renewed learning. So we didn't do it because both of us, maybe save some gap for him here. Okay. Intersection to the right. We go to pick another one. So you see, just it's very good you slow down, but he had to wait there because they don't like small. Okay, it's a big one. And as we go to the right. So it's good. The lesson of patience here. There was one gap, small gap, but they don't want to risk because they never know how you drive. So and we go traffic lights to the right. But here we make intermediate, like taxi. You see he's parked here, so indicate, but just make intermediate because it's a good gap, safe gap. And we go to the right. So here also, if there are no cars, if still it's red, we must make before the line. He didn't make. Yes, it's a major mistake, so we make a stop. Then we approach and checking pedestrians, and then we are checking cars. Okay, nice. And now we're going straight up the hill. So perhaps it's better to go on the next lane because there are 3 lanes and lots of supermarkets here, so we help for them to enter. So in these small streets, just check from far distance. If somebody is coming, don't waste time, find the space, but not the last one, but just indicating and looking and stepping maybe as much as they need to pass. If they go away, then you indicate overtake and continue overtaking. And the first time when we were going Vairuoti-Regitros, just in the beginning, down the bridge to the right, and then to the left, and then to the left, it was a little bit too close. You can drive, and then after the car you can move. With 1 meter after the car you can move into it, but not very close. And all things are good. You share attention to